Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I am hyper, I am excited, and this is part of my Christmas gift to myself to have a sea of Scrub Daddy sponges. If you know, you know these sponges are worth their weight in gold, especially if you do a lot of rage cleaning. Lowe's has them on clearance. Special shout out and thank you to the freebie guy Kendall. He posted this on his Instagram and I was like, what? And then I had to look it up on the Lowe's website because I don't think you can use Brick Seek anymore. So they were $19.97. They're down to $7.97. Price in Michigan, price in Texas as well. I went to the store, walked down the regular cleaning aisle, and found a couple. And I grabbed all of them. And then I went up to customer service because I remember seeing a display of this because this is a special box with 6 sponges and the Daddy Caddy. And I went up to customer service and asked the lady, I'm like, hey, could you help me out? Do you have more than 5 of these in stock? And she scanned it and she's like, yeah, we have like 300 more. And I'm like, okay. She's like, they're probably on a top shelf, but she was wrong. They were actually in a different part of the cleaning aisle. So they have a regular cleaning aisle in the front, and then they have one in the back with a bunch of brooms and stuff, and that's where they were. $7.97, and there was hundreds back there, so she was wrong. But another employee helped me out, and I grabbed 6 of them all together. So the box comes with 6 Scrub Daddy sponges and then 1 Daddy Caddy. So if you have I think a steel sink or aluminum sink, you can just suction it and then have a place to rest your sponge. So I am so happy with this. This is going to make the most amazing Christmas gift. I've took the liberties here to give you guys the UPC. If you just want to screenshot this and ask at your local Lowe's, just go to customer service and say, hey, do they have this in stock? I mean, if this is your thing. Alternatively, go to the website and just type in Scrub Daddy 6-pack, and then it should be showing up. And hopefully you have the same price as I, which is $7.97, which is 60% off, which is incredible. So what I personally did, couponing channel, so let's just do a rundown on the math. I grabbed 6 of those for $47.82. I used a $50 IBOTTA gift card, and you have the option to get a Lowe's gift card. Scanned perfectly at self-checkout, was easy peasy, and I just paid a little bit of tax, so it was really fantastic. So I would absolutely move on this because this is just a fantastic deal. If you know, you know, and this is the only sponge that I use to clean my entire house. And whenever I gift this to people, it's like I'm giving them a brick of gold. I don't know what it is. In the past, I've made several videos like for Christmas, make these like cool little baskets or whatever. Can you imagine a Scrub Daddy in like one of those Christmas? I think that would be like the nicest Christmas bundle if the Scrub Daddy was included. Like it would elevate it to something else. So I am like so hyper by this. I can't even contain it. I grabbed 6 and I'm going to be stocking that Lowe's website, and I'm hoping it drops to $3 and all. Then I might have to buy 100 like a crazy person. But I would get out sooner than later. I've seen on social media people hauling a bunch, and I would like, for my household use, this is probably like at least a year, 2 years. We use it for everything from our grill to cleaning the bathroom. I mean, it is the greatest sponge ever, especially for scrubbing. Now, I just wanted to take a couple photos also to show you other items. I mean, this is only dropping by $1. It's certainly not 60%, but this larger all, I mean, when it drops to like $8 or, $7, now we're talking, but at $1, just leave it at the store. But something that you're going to want to babysit. Also, this Swash detergent, I have never heard of it. They were asking $17.99 and now it's down to $14.98. I mean, if it was $1, I would buy all of it, but I've never heard of this company, Swash. And then an old favorite, which is Gain for $17.98. So $2 of savings from $19. Much cheaper over at the good old Dollar General. I made a Dollar General video too earlier today for some deals this Saturday. I'll link it at the end if you wish to watch it. And then this stuff, we always seem to be buying this in our house. It's to fill gaps and cracks and stuff in your doors and wherever else. So that is $4.38. I've seen my husband pay up $7 for this stuff before. some Christmas items anywhere between 20 to 30% off. It's got to hit 75 to get my attention. And then we have this Crayola 24 counter. It was $24.98 down to $18.67. Still a bit too rich, but definitely be on the lookout for those Scrub Daddies. Go on the website, make it happen. Oh my gosh.